Students, good morning. The next two chapters, there is a PHP, how to write the coding, what and all is there. Just today I will teach you, so listen carefully. Okay, good. So PHP language is a hypertext preprocessor. Hypertext preprocessor, that is the abbreviation. So this language like C, C++, Python language, etc. So same like this, all the programming language just like. So variable how to store in the Python language means, that is each and every language you give one box, the variable box. If you store the value means that variable you can store. For example, x equal to 10 means that is a x variable name. The variable value what? 10. So x is one box, that is a value is inside of stored. So each and every language this like we can store the variables. So Python language how to store that means the each and every variable the before $sign must. X $x is equal to 10. That like $sign you can important, equals sign you can important. So left side variable name, the right side assign the value of variable. Assign the value of variable. So that is called what? That is a variables. So each and every language this like only assign, but default to this language $sign will compel, but C, C++, Python also differ, but declaration is the same, but that is a syntax is different syntax each and every language. One or more language is the same like will come, but remaining language what is this? That is a entirely different. So PHP that like that is entirely different. So each and every syntax you can watch the students. So very carefully you can listen. Okay, good. See, that is the basic rules is there in PHP. Basic rules for variable rules. What is the basic rules means? The first thing must be begin with $symbol. Then second one, it is a variable name cannot start with number. Cannot start in number. Then fourth rule, what does that means? The case sensitive language. Case sensitive language. Sir, what's a case sensitive language variable name means? Is not. Just to see here, x is equal to 10 means $symbol example. X is equal to 10. X is small letter at caps locks. Here you can caps locks you can using means every place what is this, the programming line by line will coming no. The every line or whatever place you can use the capital X means that X value what? 10. In case small x, that is a small x 5. Small x where and all you can use that value 5 will take the computer. Capital letter means 10 will be take the value. So that is a case sensitive language. So each and every place, sir, one place you can X is you can design small letter. But all the place capital letter economies the computer cannot understand. So that is using for the case sensitive language in the PHP language. That is a hypertext preprocessor language. So very carefully you can listen the students. This is here the basic rule for the PHP variables rules. Okay. Now I will teach you what and all data types is there. I will teach you. So listen carefully. So PHP variable types, data types, there are here 13 data types, primitive data types is there. Primitive data types is there. But here you can roll important too, that is a 8 data type discuss about your book. So what and all data type is there? First time I will list out, after one by one example I will teach you. Okay, see here, first one string, second one integer data type, third one float, then fourth one boolean. So these and all 11th standard also is there, that is a C++ language you learn means definitely you will, this all the topic is there. Okay, fifth one, that is the array, then sixth one object, the seventh one null, then eighth one resource. So each and every data types I will teach you, listen carefully. So string means what will do means the string is collection of letters or characters or letters. Okay, this is here include for the double quotation or single quotation. So each and every space also considered to one letter. So an example I will teach you, so listen carefully. So PHP how to write, that is the angular bracket start, question mark, PHP, then what is this? Dollar symbol X is equal to double quotation computer application, double quotation finished. So each and every statement what is this? Semicolon with finished. In case semicolon is not there means that is a single statement only will take that, the PHP. So dollar symbol Y is equal to single quotation computer application or science. Whatever strings you can capture that semicolon. But here ego means if you printed, dollar symbol X means that is a computer printer. Then ego break, double quotation BR means what? Break means what? That is a line, new line you can create it. Already this break you know means that is a HTML language also you studied, you learn means that command or tag will be know that. In case don't know means first now you can learn, that is a BR means what? Break means new line feeded. Okay, next dollar symbol Y, then semicolon finished. So this is what? That is a string one examples. So double quotation also is there, single quotation also is there. So now what is this? How to finish this language? Question mark, angular bracket closed. So this is called what? That is a string data type. So string data type, this like you should write the coding. So this is what? String data type. So string is stored, you know, that is a sequence of character we stored. So this is what? String data type. The X is string data type, Y is string data type. So next what I teaching means that is the integer. Integer I will teach you, so listen. Integer data type how to do? Just you can colon contain the non-decimal. Non-decimal means what? That is a floating points, decimal value is not accept, only integer. Only integer means PHP, then dollar symbol of x or y, whatever it is. For example, z is equal to 59, then semicolon. Then what is this? Variable underscore temp. Then dollar symbol is z. Then semicolon. Finish. Then question mark. Then angular bracket close. So this is what does it mean? This is called what? Integer data type. Declare this like. So this is variable temp is what is dump. Temp means then parenthesis there. The parenthesis there means that is called to what? Function name. That is what? Function name. What function means? Temp function. The temp function what should be reflect means that is here the z data type. The z data type what data type? Just you can output screen will come. The output screen what will coming means that is a integer. Integer will come. That is a result will come. That is a integer. So that like will come. Okay. The integer of 59. That like will come. What result is there? That result here you can print it. So that is the integer. So next what is this? Float. Float means nothing. That is a decimal value. Contain the decimal value. Okay. The contain the decimal value. For example what? Dollar symbol y is equal to 19.15. Then semicolon finish. This is a variable. Temp is equal to dollar symbol y. This is what? That is a float value. That is what is this? Float value. So very clearly should understand students. This is a float data type. Sir, next data type what? Boolean. Boolean means what? Boolean means 0 or 1 or false or true. True. This is Boolean value means 0. 0 means false. 1 means true. So that is how to declare. That is dollar symbol P is equal to false. Dollar symbol semicolon. Dollar symbol Q is equal to true. So semicolon. So now how to this variables you can use means. So same. That is a mathematical functions or whatever it is you can this like you can use. Okay. Or ego. Dollar symbol P. Ego. Dollar symbol Q. That like you can print means that is a value you can print it. Okay. This like this is using for the Boolean data types. So these and all PHP data types you can use. Okay. So next data types it is array. Next equal to array. The array is a what is this? The multiple values is a single variables. The sequence of character you can store in single variables. That is called to array. That is the array how to do means that is dollar symbol care sir and நான் angular bracket question mark PHP ல நான் போடல நீங்க போட்டுக்கணும் சரியா ஒவ்வொரு டைம் அது போட்டுக்கிட்டு இருக்கல நீங்க அதை போட்டுக்கணும் okay so next what is this scash is equal to array after that double quotations open computer double quotation closed next double quotation open laptop comma double quotation open mobile then close parenthesis then semicolon finished. Now what is this? This is what is this? Array variable will come. Variable temp dollar symbol cars. Cars means what will do? That is here. This variable type what? Array. Array only you can declare. Array is how many arrays there? 3 you can output declare. So this is here output. So this like you can declare to the array variables in the PHP program. Okay. So next object. Object how to do? Just to see here. Object means that is using for creating data type in class. that is a class data types or function inside you can using, or a data and function inside you can using the class. So this is one example is there, so listen carefully. So dollar symbol PHP class school curly brace open function marks colon parenthesis open dollar symbol this section is equal to A, double quotation semicolon finished. So function closed, then class also closed. So next I will create the function or object. See here, dollar symbol school object is equal to new school parenthesis open. So this is what does that means? That is a school one object is there. That object where it is there, new one keyword. School means what? The school inside, that is here one function is there. That function you can evaluate it. Okay, this is here create object. So next I will teach you echo dollar symbol school object is not is equal, then pointer variable, then semicolon finish. This is what? That is a direction of the objects. So this object you can call to the function. So the functions you can execute it. That is the output you can produce. Okay. Next, null character. Next, what is this? Null character. Null means what? Nothing. That is for example, PHP program you can start students. So I didn't write. You should write. Okay. Okay, good. See here, dollar symbol X is equal to null. Semicolon finish. Variable temp. Temp means what will come? That is this variable what data types. The data types you can return. See null. Null will display. So this is a null variable. So next resource. What is resource, sir? Resource means nothing. Source means what? That is one programming coding is there means that is one source. Sir, I have one source. That source is one program. That program how to open in MySQL, how to open in PHP inside also how to open. That is called to resource. So that resource how to open, that means for example dollars handle one file is there. Okay, handled is not file, that is here one variable. F open in a format note dot txt. One file, what is this? Read means what? R. Then semicolon finished. Semicolon finished means that is this line. What is a produce means this resource. That is a note one file. That is a text file. That file, what is this? What mode? That is a reading mode only will come. So that is called to resource. This is variable underscore temp dollar symbol handle. So what is will come? That is called this data type source will be displayed. Resource will be displayed. The resource is a specific variable. It has a reference to an external resource. This variable hold the specific handler to the files or database. So before I told no, that is a PHP itself you can open the file or read the file or copying the file or cut the file, whatever it is. That is resource. Okay. So after that, what is this? This respective program, PHP program itself is there. So next I will teach you $symbol link. Link is equal to MySQL underscore connect, then parenthesis open, localhost double quotation finish, comma, then what is this? Root double quotation open and close, then comma, double quotation, then empty, then bracket closed. Now where thumb $link. So this is what? Semicolon finish. Semicolon finish means what will do? That is here. This is what resource. This is what resource we can display in the output. So that is called to resource data type. So students, very carefully you can listen the class. These are another or next class also this like will going. In case PHP program is there means you can install, then each and every coding you can type your laptop, that result you can see. Okay, thank you students. Very carefully you can read the book and learn the PHP program. So thank you.